Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can increase the maximum upload file size in your WordPress site. Well, there are 3 to 4 ways. One is using the php.ini file, and the second one is through your theme functions file, and the third one is using htaccess file, and the fourth process that is quite simple is actually using the plugins. Well, in this video, I'm gonna use the plugin setup to increase the maximum upload file size. So if you are a Navy user and you don't know how to code or how to insert the code, that's fine. So you can apply all those settings in your website. So what you have to do is just log into your WordPress website and go to the dashboard. And from dashboard, let us verify that how much file size is allowed from my server. And currently I am using the server of Japrox Technologies, that is actually japroxhost.com. You can check this. They have a lot of good packages. Well, I will create another video for Japrox Host. That will be my review for Japrox Host, and it will help you a lot. Well, anyhow, moving towards the topic, the point is, currently, if you see that under the media, if I click on add new, you can see here a maximum upload file size is 128 MB. So this is actually a smaller size. If I want to upload the 1 GB file, the WordPress won't allow me to increase to upload that file. So what I have to do, first of all, go to your my.japroxhost.com. If you are a Japrox user, then go to your Japrox control panel. That is actually my.japroxhost.com. So in your case, if you are using Bluehost, that will be according to your company, whatever they have provided you the link, you have to follow that. So if you are using GoDaddy, Bluehost, then you have to follow the procedure to access your control panel as per the company guides you. So in my case, Japrox actually guides me that I have to go to my.japroxhost.com, and under once I am logged in into the my control panel, I have to search for PHP configurations. Okay, when I will write PHP in the search bar, it will show me web tools, and under the web tools I will have PHP configurations. And in PHP configurations, there are some configuration directives that are quite useful, and you can change them as per your needs. Well, I have updated my post max size from 1 to 8 MB. Actually, it was 1 to 8 MB. Okay, so M1 to 8 M, that actually means 1 to 8 MB, but it means 128 MB. So I want to change it to 1 GB. So if I want to make it 1 GB, I have to apply 1024 MB. So if you don't know how many MBs are equals to GBs, then you can go to Google and just write MB to GB and click on search, and here you can type 1, and here you see it's 1000 megabytes. So actually it is 1000 megabytes. I'm gonna say, well, 1000M, it means 1 GB. So the maximum execution time, that is, if you want, some websites actually ask you to increase the maximum execution time, but for PHP the recommended value is 300. If your theme is requiring above 300, that is not what I recommend. Okay, so that's actually not the topic. So let's move towards the other thing that is relevant. That is actually maximum file uploads. So it actually shows how many files you want to upload at a time. So you can change this as well. If you want to make it 150, whatever, it's your choice. And under this, if you see at the last, there is option that actually says upload max file size. So I'm gonna say the max file size is gonna be 2048. Okay, I'm gonna allow my from my server that I'm gonna upload 2048. It means that, or you can say that 2000 MB, it means 2 GB. But for now what I need is actually 1 GB, so I'm gonna use 1000M, that is actually equals to 1 GB. So once you have updated those values, the post max size and the upload max size, and you're gonna click on update PHP configurations and wait until it shows you a prompt message. Successfully updated the PHP configurations here, and now if you refresh this, um, there is nothing that is going to change for now because you have allowed all these values in your server. But in your WordPress site, you have to add the plugin to enable that feature. Okay, so under the plugins, click on Add New, and in Search Plugins area, just write increase upload files sorry increase max upload file size. Okay. Once I press the enter, you can see that there are a lot of bunch of plugins here. One is from Imagify, the other one is Cloud, and the next one is from Code Popular. So what you have to check is actually the ratings and the last so compatibility. Okay, so as you can see, here is a plugin, increase maximum upload file size by Imagify. This plugin actually have a good rating. Okay, but it is actually untested with your version of WordPress. So it means that with the WordPress version that I am using right now is actually not compatible with this plugin. Okay, it might gonna work, or it might won't work. Okay, so the next thing is here, if you see a plugin by Cloud, the rating is 1 star, and this is not acceptable for me at all. Okay, so I'm gonna move toward the next plugin, that is WP maximum upload file size. It says increase maximum upload file size, and it actually have a good rating, and it is also compatible with our version of WordPress. So I'm gonna click on install now to install this plugin into my WordPress site. And once it is installed, you can click on activate. Once it is activated, here you can see under the plugins, installed plugins, here is an option settings, and under the settings, if you're gonna choose 512 MB, if I'm gonna say that I just need 512 MB maximum upload file size, so I'm gonna say save changes, and now media, add new, open it in new tab to verify that our upload size is now 512 MB or not. As you can see that maximum upload file size is 512 MB, and if I change it to 1 GB and I click on save changes, and then I refresh this page, you can see that maximum upload file size is 1 GB. So I hope this helps you a lot, and if you like my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share, click on the share button. And in future videos, I'm gonna upload a lot of other videos, like how to enable your WordPress themes, settings, elementors, and all that. So stay tuned, stay in touch, take care.